All right. Why is it that we end up feeling overwhelmed, overworked, and underpaid? Is because we don't know what branding is, and we don't know its power. A brand can kill you or lift you up. And I've seen people with okay products and services do very well, and I've seen people with stellar products and services do shit. And that is the result of knowing a little bit about what I'm going to talk about here tonight. First, I want to say that nothing works. This is a LeapZone principle. Absolutely everything you're going to learn here tonight will do dick all for you. Unless what? Unless you work it, unless you implement it. In fact, I'm going to say, and I say this all the time at the beginning of my presentations, if you're not willing to implement one thing that I'm going to share here tonight, I'd rather you get up and go because ignorance is bliss. You're not going to want to know some of this stuff and not implement it. That would be insane, basically. When you know that something can dramatically help your results, it'd be a bit insane to not implement it. Do we have a deal? Yeah. Nobody's leaving, so obviously we're all going to implement something. I like it. All right. 90% of all small business owners have to discount their products and services because people don't get the value that they provide. That, again, is a branding question. It is not a marketing question. 97% of all small business owners, don't know how to clearly communicate their edge, their X factor, what makes them different. Why should I buy from you and not from you if you did the exact same thing? And only 6% of entrepreneurs will ever make it to 6 figures. Guys, 6 figures is only 100 grand. We're not talking billions here. If you're in business and you want to get into the 7-figure, it's not rocket science. You just have to have the right ingredients put together.